Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to equalize the volume of various audio sources on the Audi A4 B8, but probably it will work for all kinds of Audis. In my particular case, the external audio input is really low volume, and it's not a problem of the Bluetooth device that I plugged into there. It's a problem that the port is set to low gain. So what we want to do is increase the gain. And for this we need to enter the green menu of this. If you don't have that enabled, I will link a video in the description that shows you how to enable the green menu, and it's quite a useful thing to do. So for me, it's enabled. I'm going to press car and setup basically at the same time, and it should appear. And here we are. And now we need to go to audio management, input gain offset, and in here we have, I'm not sure which one of these two is the auxiliary input that I have inside this handrest in here, but I'm guessing this one. So I clicked on it, and now I'm going to give it a 2 to be more or less similar as the other ones, that some of them have 1, some have 2. Yes, a few are minus quite a bit. If this is not the good one and I still have a low volume, I will also adjust the second one after it, but I don't think there's a need for that. And at this point I don't remember honestly how to get out of the menu. Let me try and press return. Yeah, I think it works. Let me just go back into it and see if our setting, nope, it didn't stick. So why did it not stick? I think I need to press OK, and when I say OK, meaning this. From this I'm selecting and rotating to adjust. So press it again. Now let me see if I'm out of it. Yes, I'm out of it because I'm again changing in here and not the slider. Now press return, and then I will just go back again, and it's set. So you can see it's now +2 from -2 that it was, because it was extremely quiet. My radio and SD card, for example, from inside of this thing were much more much more loud, and yeah, it was not good at all to always change volume when changing sources. And now let's get out of this thingy, and I don't remember, I think I need to actually, probably even if I take the contact it might get out of this menu, but I think there's another way, but I cannot remember it now, so I don't think it matters. This should power on. Nope, I need to reset it. No, there's no need to reset it. I just tried again off camera. If you press any of the other buttons, it will jump out of the green menu, so no need to reset it like I showed you. That's dumb. Don't do that. Just press whatever you want, car, and it will be out of the menu, or press directly on media and probably it will also be out of the green menu. Nope, still not loud enough. So again, press these two until green menu appears. Again, audio management, again gain offset. It is better than what it was, so we are updating the correct thing. But yeah, let me give it a 6. Then hit OK again. We can move out of this. Hit a return. Return, we are in the main menu, and let's see if I press media what happens. Yeah, it takes me out. So that's all you need to do to get out of the menu, and I will play again some music and check with radio and compare everything to make sure that I make the proper level now. Not good enough. So I'm going up to 10. I'm just giving it all. Sound quality is good, it's perfect. Just volume still was a bit too low. Yeah, my levels are absolutely perfect now. Yes, I'm not going to give you audio. You need to try yourself. And while you are in the green menu for the first time, take some pictures so you don't mess up your settings and don't know how to put them back, your levels, your gains. I'm not giving you sound because of radio, copyright and stuff like that. I just don't want to deal with with that crap and open a new can of worms. Believe me, it's working. So anyway, that's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and if you want to see how to enable the AUX, how to add an Bluetooth adapter that works on AUX, and I have a bit of glare in here, links will be in the video description. If you want to see how to add this cool little unchecked display, also links in the video description. And yeah, that's about it again for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.